Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently I've been getting tons of messages on YouTube asking about Douyin makeup, a Chinese makeup trend that's taken TikTok by storm. Today I'm focusing on the Douyin eyeliner, a look that's become synonymous with this trend. This style is defined by a sleek, extended wing that makes your eyes pop without overshadowing your natural beauty. I've already applied my base makeup, which I demonstrated in my previous video on achieving a natural makeup look. If you haven't seen it yet, feel free to check it out for a step-by-step guide. For today's eye makeup, I'm using the Better Naked palette from 100% Pure. This palette is special because it's a face palette that includes eyeshadow shades, blush, and highlighter, all food pigmented and free from synthetic dyes. It's a cleaner alternative to many other makeup brands. I start by applying the shade Bunny all over my lid with a blending brush, creating a soft depth. Next, I take the highlighting shade Fox and apply it around the inner corner of my eyes with a round smudging brush, brightening up the area. By the way, I'm using brushes from my own brand, Alpha Makeup. They are vegan, cruelty-free, and designed to be fluffy and great for daily use. As a special treat, I've included a coupon code for you in the description box below. For eyeliner, I'm using the I Spy Black Dip-In Eyeliner by Gigi, a German clean makeup brand. I begin by drawing a thin line from the center of my lid to the outer corner. Then I extend the line into a thin wing and connect it back to the base, forming a small triangle which I fill in for a defined look. To soften the look, I applied the creamy Long Last Kohl Liner in Dark Cacao by 100% Pure over the eyeliner on my lid, blending it slightly for a smoked effect. I also line my upper waterline with the same kohl liner to thicken the lash line, enhancing my downturned and hooded eyes with a thin, elegant stroke. Using a lash curler by Too Faced, I curl my lashes twice for a few seconds each time to make them look more defined. Next, I apply the fruit pigmented ultra lengthening mascara in Dark Chocolate by 100% Pure to my lashes, which adds length and volume without clumping. For the lower lash line, I apply the shade Bunny on the outer lower lash line, keeping the look soft. I then apply Fox a bit more on the inner lower lash line, bringing it up to the lower center lash line for a subtle highlight. Finally, I use the same mascara to define my lower lashes, completing the look. And that's it. This is my daily take on the Douyin eyeliner trend, a natural everyday look that's both fresh and elegant. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to check out the description box for product links and my special coupon code for Alpha makeup brushes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.